ارزان فروشم ای خدا جان ای خدا جان ای خدا جان خدا جانم خدا جانم خدا جان اما باید بینید ای جان برار باید با هم بینید ای جان برار
Rasht, a city that never rushes, yet is always alive. Every street here has a heartbeat of laughter, food and endless motion. The old square stands proud with its clock tower, watching generations pass. Here, time doesn't stop. It simply slows down. People gather, talk, share tea. Life feels simple and honest. Just a few steps away, chaos turns into color. The market breathes, voices rise, aromas fill the air. Everything moves.
آقایان خانم آقایان بفرمایید ارزان کدیم ده بدن و مانه ارزانی با موتی در خانه بیام بر خانه بیام بر خانه هر رای کدم ده بدن و مانه هر رای با موتی در خانه بیام بر خانه بیام بر خانه
Fish glitter on ice, herbs pile high, smiles are traded as often as money. Beyond the main lanes, Rasht softens. Narrow alleys hide stories. Children running, rain dripping, music playing from a window. It's where the city breathes quietly and lets you breathe with it. Back in the square, the evening lights begin to glow. The sound of laughter, the smell of rain, the taste of tea. This is Rasht. A city that doesn't just show itself, it lets you feel it. If you ever come here, don't just look. Listen, taste and wonder. Because Rasht isn't a place to visit, it's a place to live, even if only for a moment. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to subscribe. More adventures are just around the corner. There's so much more of Iran to see. Join me by subscribing and let's explore together.
bende. Maydane sere bende. Maydane sere bende.
Every city has a story. Hit that subscribe button and don't miss the next one. This was just one stop on the map. The next one might surprise you. Subscribe and come along. For more moments like this, more colors, more flavors, subscribe and keep traveling with me.